Hey Daniel, where are you at?
We're here at one of the few speed production facilities. We've got a big batch of cars here we're checking out. We're just waiting. There's a couple little updates that we're here to bring up to date on all of these cars before they head over to us. And we're excited here. See, the highest number I see here is 196, I think. A nice white RG. 196.
196 right there.
There's a 193 there.
193.
And we got lots of RGs still, but there's a few more with
137. 53.
This is a good one over here for
Number 9. Wow, that's an early one.
for Ken and Barbie.
Yes.
You're gonna be able to make it to the premiere.
Think we'll get it to the premiere in time?
I don't know. 139's got some
139.
Barbie car for sure.
Full Barbie car.
Good.
This is a good looking car right here. You want to pull this one up?
Yeah,
Wow, that's clean.
black and gray and white. The carbon.
146.
These ones are still waiting for some panels and wraps.
Yep. So these are just bare ones sitting there. Engines over there. What do you got over there, Daniel?
Number 92. The line machine.
92.
We're seeing more blue RGs in this batch here.
Oh, that's the highest number I've seen.
Yeah, there you go.
197.
This one looks good. I like this. Just the one color
Yeah.
accent for the 45. Alright, another fuel one here. Tiffany blue, 134.
$195. We're getting closer.
13 here.
Oh, is that you?
I don't think so, not me.
$195. I know Daniel's got something about this. Were you blue or what'd you do?
I'm definitely not blue.
No, you're not blue? Are you purple?
No, I think it's the RG right now.
52. A lot of clean cars. Oh, look at that. I like to see
Cargo
that.
bed mounting.
So clean.
Installed.
New cars. I don't know why it won't turn around for me. You want to turn around? So yeah, I know it's...
No, it did turn around.
There we go. All right, cool. So we just got here. We got here late last night, and we're in Haiphong, and they said they had a whole bunch of cars that they wanted us to double check. As you saw, there was 9 cars that showed up last week. There's more on the water, and there's a whole bunch here. And last time it was Jeff and me. This time it's Daniel and me. And you guys probably ask why I come over here. Trying to keep my thumb on the pulse, making sure that we're checking every small little detail that we've learned from the first 36 cars and then the next 9 that got there. So cars are coming. I hear all this, will I have cars this riding season? And that answer is going to be yes. As long as you're a fairly early number, you'll have cars for this season. And we're really on a hard push to get a bunch of cars in for sand sports. So it's very hot over here. It's probably 95 degrees and quite humid as well.
Yeah, at least you got the fans blowing today.
Yeah, so just wanted to give you guys a little update. We leave from here and we go to Mongolia testing again. We'll spend 3 days testing, and we're not testing stuff we know. We are doing destructive testing. We are really trying to. We finally are in a position where we can just destroy stuff, and all this only helps all customers because we get ourselves in a position. But you know, I think a lot of people need to understand these are still production cars. When we have a race car, we prep them every 500 miles, 1,000 miles. Every one of our Speed UTVs, we do a NORA, we do a complete prep on them, and you guys are going to have to prep your cars as well if you're going to drive them at race speeds. There's a big difference between cruising around and riding a UTV and going and beating it like Chupacabra does. I think he's out there, you know, he's putting the hammer to it, and we're learning from that as well. But at the same time, we have to remind you guys that these are not. Even my race truck, even my trophy truck, every 500 miles to 1,000 miles, they get a full prep. And I think a lot of people are misunderstanding or maybe have not quite understood what it takes to build a production car that is race proven. But if you drive them like a race car, you're going to have to prep them.